Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone camera blurry and out of focus issue. If your iPhone camera is producing blurry or out of focus photos, there are several potential solutions you can try to address the issue. In this video I will give you some steps to troubleshoot and fix a blurry camera on your iPhone. First of all, you have to do is simply clean the camera lens. The lens on your iPhone's camera may be dirty or smudged, affecting image clarity. Use a microfiber cloth or lens cleaning solution to gently clean the camera lens. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check for protector case interference. If you are using a case, ensure that it doesn't interfere with the camera lens. Some cases may cause shadows or affect the focus, resulting in blurry images. Try taking photos without the case to see if there are any improvement. If checking these two and you're still facing the issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can help resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do simply check for check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update may include camera related improvement and bug fixes. So you have to open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. Like I am having an update of iOS 17. Now I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can simply update it tonight. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your camera settings. So to do this, you have to go to your general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix the issue. So guys, this will reset all camera settings to their default. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.